Not many today. Morning. Morning. That is our, it used to be a girl, and she now thinks she's a boy. So she's pretending to be a copra. So we call her Henrietta now. Here you go, girls. Clean out day tomorrow. Okay. Clean out day tomorrow. And check their water. Yeah, they're going to need a bit of water today. We'll get that done in a minute. We've got all those houses to do down there. There's 4 chicken houses, one after the other, and they're all in there waiting for their breakfast. So we better crack on.
The government has asked the UK medicines regulator to carry out a formal assessment of the Oxford University AstraZeneca coronavirus.
You're cheeky.
AstraZeneca will also carry out further research in the US to confirm what dosage delivers the best protection. Sir Philip Green's
Peter, come and have something to eat.
Working on contingency options to secure the future of its brands as
Too busy
speculation
wondering.
grows that it's on the point of collapse and about to call its administrators. Sir Philip's Green.
Good morning. Here he comes. Morning, Bert.
This is Buster. He is absolutely huge. This is lovely little Gwen. She's getting friendlier. She's new, but she's getting friendly. She's a bit nippy. And that is Catherine, who's a little bit frightened of us, but she'll get there in the end. I'm just going to give them something to eat. A bit slippery in here today.
Look at them all waiting patiently.
Come on then, don't knock me over, mind, because it's really slippery today and it's really, really cold. So no barging me over, please. Go on then, get in. Get in.
Someone's hungry.
Oh, dear me. Are we hungry, kiddos? Other way then, I can't put it in without putting your... Get... Buster, get off. 1. 2. There you go. That's better. I can't do it if you've got your heads in the way, guys. And this is Eric and Ernie.
Don't know where Ernie is. This is Eric.
They're 4 years old. They're quite friendly. But they're very naughty. Very, very naughty.
Ern is outside.
Is he? That's unusual for Ernie. See Ernie. Ernie! Ern!
There he is.
Come on, fella. Come on then. Don't want nothing to eat this morning?